Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we are delving into the world of quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025. And now we are here to offer you a more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has classified quantum computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.32. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 107.35% since we initially designated quantum computing as a buy candidate 31 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.46% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential increase of 112.27% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 56.35% and 166.48%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 74.24%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 17.62% and 225.25% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $14.42 and $56.92. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, Significant Movements in Quantum Computing Incorporated Stock Price on Monday, fluctuating by 14.77% between its high and low. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, the Quantum Computing Incorporated stock price decreased by 7.31%, dropping from $18.88 to $17.50. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 14.77%, with a low of $15.50 and a high of $17.79. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased on 6 occasions but is still up by 27.74% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased by 8 million shares on this day, despite the falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 40 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $701.63 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $27.15, while the lowest was 35.5 cents. Currently, the price stands at 35.54%, or $9.65, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which also represents the all-time high for this stock. Quantum Computing Incorporated, traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker QUBT, is currently experiencing notable volatility, with its stock price declining by more than 9% today due to significant sell-offs. This drop comes after a remarkable surge in which the company's stock rose by 80% over the past month, highlighting the speculative nature of the quantum computing market. Today, the company announced a private placement of common stock that is anticipated to raise $200 million, which will enhance its cash reserves to over $350 million. While this increase in capital may provide a cushion in the short term, concerns persist regarding the company's high cash burn rate and limited revenue generation, raising questions about its long-term viability. Investors are confronted with a complex situation. The rapid fluctuations in QUBT's stock value are fueled by excitement surrounding the technology, as evidenced by recent partnerships, including collaborations with NASA. Despite these developments, the outlook remains speculative. Short-term traders might react swiftly to the news of the stock placement, potentially leading to further price instability. Long-term investors should weigh the potential advantages of QUBT's strengthened cash position against its speculative nature and the broader challenges of converting technological innovations into commercial success. In this fast-evolving field, the upcoming months will be pivotal for QUBT as it seeks to balance hype with tangible financial performance. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April 2024, it was reported that Ascendiant assigned a buy rating to QUBT, accompanied by a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. The Quantum Computing Incorporated stock currently reflects a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is present from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, a general buy signal emerges, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, estimated at approximately $18.67. Conversely, should the stock decline, it may find support from the long-term average, estimated at around $12.74. A breakthrough through the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average would signal a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact the near-term development. A sell signal arose from a pivot top point on Monday, June 16, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 17.53%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Recently, volume increased amid falling prices, serving as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. The pivot signal suggested a sell opportunity 5 days ago. According to Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was identified 169 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also pointed to a buy signal 32 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average signaled a sell opportunity 38 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 27 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $15.13 and $13.70. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Quantum Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $15.13. If this support is breached, the next level of support from accumulated volume will be at $13.70 and $13.31. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. And with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.29 between its high and low, which is a change of 14.77%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 14.78%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $17.51. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, quantum computing encounters its first support level at $15.13. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Christopher Bemler, who bought and sold 351,152 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 98.538. In total, insiders acquired 25,597,233 shares and did not sell any shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.67, reflecting a decrease of 4.72%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, resulting in a significant risk. A sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of June, we anticipate that quantum computing will open lower by 570 cents, starting at $16.93. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decision should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.